story. How na dey, una don chop? Hello, everybody, my people out there. I welcome una to my YouTube channel. Abeg, if today na your first time to see this channel, abeg make you subscribe, like, share, make you click that notification bell so that if I upload any ogbonge video, make you dey aware. The matter when I bring come today, now our black boy, one black boy when he don't carry coronavirus, as I dey talk to you, so as you dey look me, so one black boy, he don't dey on his own for hospital. Only in that day the place, so make I look this side, other people they come. Nobody they come. You know, say Tata for business and say big people when not they mind their business. This black boy, for those of una when it be say, una they say coronavirus not be real, coronavirus not be real, no they catch black, we know to believe. My brother, my sister, my people out there, coronavirus not real. When I mean real, so the way to this coronavirus, the way it dey now, many people don't they live with am, they don't know. Hey, now well, many people, especially black, many black don't they live with this coronavirus, they don't know. Now they come, they discover say many black don't get this coronavirus. The one when I call see when it be say na very real, as in it dey sure where the boy na Isenia, black boy, they work for camp for Isenia, Molise region for Italy. This boy now don't get coronavirus as you they watch me, so this boy don't get coronavirus. He don't dey live with this coronavirus for a body. He no know. Now once the thing just drop him down, he no show him any symptom. He no show him any sign. Now once, now they just say this boy, he no just well, not be saying na play. The thing just strong for a body. No say another Oyibo woman for the camp safe still get the coronavirus. Immigrants, they live with them. Other people, they live with them. They don't know. You know, say for most of this camp, if black Oyibo when they work for them, they go, they come. We black, we know they sabi stay away from them. We they look and say, after all, our blood strong. Because say your blood strong, you know go prevent yourself. They know they pay money till they sanitize. They know they pay money till they wash hand. You know go pay money if you wear mask. You can say you must pay before you wear mask. No, now for your own good, your own safety. Oyibo when they talk and say social distance, they get sense. They no be mumu. Even many camps safe. Oyibo when he did there, they give black chance for real. Black no year. Now so they die follow them. Coronavirus no level. See my people, level don't dey. Level is plenty well now. If you dey camp before you be immigrant, say you still dey camp, I beg. If you won't go down, go carry food, wear mask. If you won't go down, go sign, wear mask. Wear mask, may you wear hand glove. You see this life, so you don't get part 2. This life don't get part 2. Who don't die, go. So now you, when you dey alive, prevent yourself. I just pray now, make it be say, this our black boy, make it heal. Because the way they talk his story, in own case, is serious where. In own case, serious where. Even me self, I dey feel for the boy. Even me now, I beg go. In fact, I go check myself now. Because whether I still get this corona now, they live with her now, no. Everybody make una go check una self for very important. People when they be say that they go from camp to camp, they go check them. People when they there like now, you get some black camp, they go come check them, do tests for them whether they get the coronavirus. Una own better. If they can't do test for you, no dey run. Na for your own good, so that if e dey your body, they go quick treat am. No dey run. Okay, movement now won't start on the 4th. Now, small movement, oh, it won't start on the 4th of May now. My sister, my brother, protect yourself. Even if your immune system is strong, you be black, your blood strong, well, protect yourself. Coronavirus is real. At this on the 4th day now, if you go outside, you come back, they won't check you. I beg, allow them test you. They make one parable for this PG, say provision store better pass kiosk. Prevent yourself. Oh. Now that black boy now, not be say the black boy, they waka all this, they work for camp for Isenia. He don't carry coronavirus. The coronavirus don't they live with them. He don't know. I beg, make we join prayer. Make we pray for this boy. Make he recover fast. Now, because they say they won't go from camp to camp, they do tests for immigrants. They do tests for black. They do tests for, as far as say, this corona never wipe finish totally. They do tests. If you go outside, come back, they go do tests for you. Even for one camp, when you near me now, they don't put one big room for them. For inside camp, oh, big room. They can't write coronavirus room. If they don't notice, say you get them, bam, they go lock you for them. So if you don't want me, they lock you for one room. Maybe they give you special food. You know, I say they pay, say food when other people they chop. You know, they chop them. Special food. Special food now in this country they give you if you know where. Now there you go see, say they go cook patata. Only patata, they go grind down for you. You go chop them. They go cook, they no go put pepper at all. They go say na doctor prescription. My brother, my sister, to avoid them, I beg sanitize. Wash your hand. Wear mask. Wear hand gloves if you dey go out. You no go pay anybody money if you do all those things. So protect yourself, because I like you well. I love una well, I beg. Now this matter I get, I say make I come share with you now. Say many black for camp now. They say they get coronavirus, they don't know. Because some not get the symptom, but they get the coronavirus. So I beg, make you stay safe. Stay safe for me, for your family. Now this matter, I carry come tell you now. Once again, now me be Delta Tatafo Princess, the girl wey no dey mind her business. I beg, make you subscribe, like, make you share. Make you click that bell, so that if I upload any ogbonge information, make yourself dey aware. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.